This small plant's name is Groot, and it is holding a baby bird. When Groot catches it, the bird starts troubling him. He feeds the bird and even gives it water in a certain way. But despite this, the bird continues to bother him. As Groot tries to rest, suddenly, many more baby birds, just like the first one, arrive. Seeing them, Groot starts running away but ends up falling down. After that, Groot notices that all the baby birds have reached their mother, and the sentence is incomplete. Let me know if you want to continue it.